Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to check out some summer bob haircut ideas. First up, we have this gorgeous French style bob. She does have French bangs. This bob is very French girl because of the bangs and the soft waves. It comes to about jaw length, and I think that the stylist Tony does a great job of just kind of framing his client's face, and she looks absolutely gorgeous with this transformation. So bob number 2 is actually an inspiration for the first hairstyle. So the stylist gives the client a similar hairstyle that we saw in the first clip. She ends up getting nice bangs. I will say that I like the haircut without the waves. I think that it looks a lot more modern and just structured, but the stylist does add some waves to this one for some height. And then the next hairstyle is also going to feature bangs as well. This is a gorgeous jaw length bob cut yet again. Stunning. The client actually does have dimples, and it really just gets highlighted by this shape. Absolutely gorgeous framework from Tony. So next up we have more of a lob haircut. That is of course a longer bob. So here is how the hair looks straight. The stylist is kind of still cutting the hair and then adding in some color as well, touching up the roots, and of course giving her some highlights. I think that this just framed her face beautifully, but I do however like to see how the bob looks straight without the waves. Next up, this redhead gets a nice lob makeover with her haircut transformation. So she does end up getting like this beautiful kind of copper orange tone. I think that it looks amazing with her warm complexion, nice middle part, and gorgeous lob transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you felt inspired by checking out these summer bob haircuts with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.